Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Molly and I are in the kitchen today making our favourite healthy balanced dog food. We're using simple ingredients like turkey, brown rice and sweet potato to keep your dog happy and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Let's get cooking. In this recipe we're using turkey. This well-absorbed lean protein is great for muscle building and is gentle on the stomach. Brown rice delivers high energy and is full of B1, B3 and B6 vitamins. Carrots are low in calories and contain vitamins K, A and B. We also included broccoli. It's low calorie and provides fibre and vitamin C. Sweet potatoes give great energy, fibre for digestion and beta-carotene for vision and immunity. Spinach delivers iron and magnesium for cell and muscle health and a variety of essential vitamins. Butternut squash provides vitamin A for vision and fibre for healthy digestion. In a separate large pan, cook the ground turkey over medium heat. Break it apart as it cooks until it's fully browned. Drain excess fat if necessary. In this recipe, we cook the brown rice with the vegetables, allowing the rice to absorb the flavours. If cooking the rice separately, using a large pot, add brown rice and 4 cups of water. Add more water if required. Bring to the boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until fully cooked, about 30 to 35 minutes. Brown rice takes longer to cook compared to white rice. The cooking time is approximately the same if cooking with the vegetables or separately. A quick but vital note, this homemade food is a wholesome topper or an occasional meal, once or twice per week. This recipe is not complete and balanced unless formulated by a vet nutritionist. After cooking the vegetables for about 10 minutes or until softened, gently stir in the brown rice. Once combined, stir in the chopped spinach gently. Now add the final ingredient, the cooked turkey, and mix well, but be careful not to overstir. Every dog is different and their needs depend on age, activity level, weight and health conditions. So, if you're thinking about feeding homemade food regularly or want exact portion sizes, your vet is the best person to guide you. This recipe is meant to be a fun and healthy addition, not a full-time replacement, unless a vet helps balance it. If you're wondering what breed Molly is, she's a beautiful Belgian Shepherd and she will be 4 in April. As you can see, she's very friendly and full of life. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.